Namaste everyone. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about Countif Formula. You can see we have got a list of some kids and their favorite colors respectively in this table. And we want to count how many of the kids like red color, blue color and green color respectively. So we will do it with the help of simple Countif formula. You can see the syntax here in the yellow ribbon. Countif, which contains only two arguments, one range and other criteria. So let's type it here. I want to count how many of the kids like red color. So equal to countifs. Fine. So the range. So this is my range which I want to select from here. Okay. I can select it from here directly. And let us fix it out with the help of F4 key. Fine. Comma, and then criteria. So this is the criteria which I want to check, which I want to count in this cell respectively. So it is ready now. Close the braces, enter. So only two kids like red color, and here I can drag it with the help of filler handle. So I get 3 and 3. So this is the result which I get with the help of Countif formula. I hope it would have been easy for you to understand. So now let us see more similar formula which is called as COUNTIFS. Let me come to this sheet. Okay. Now we are on COUNTIFS. So you can see the syntax. It is similar to that of COUNTIF but a little difference. Because here we are going to use multiple criteria and the criteria ranges. So you can see criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2 like that. Okay, now this is the table containing some people, their status and their salary mode. So here what I want to do, I want to count here in this cell all those managers who are getting salaries in their account. So I want to count it from this table. So let us type the formula equal to COUNTIFS. Fine. So criteria range 1. First of all, this is my criteria range 1. So this is the criteria range. Okay. Let me select this. Fix it out with the help of F4, comma. Now after criteria range 1, I got to go for criteria 1. So this is my criteria, this cell. Because I want to count how many managers in the first criteria. Fine. And then come to criteria range 2. This is the second criteria range. Okay. The salary mode. Press F4. Fine. And then criteria 2. Criteria 2, that means I want to count all those managers who are getting salaries in their account. So I will click here. This will be the criteria 2. Now this formula is ready. You can add as much as criteria as you want according to the given situation. Now let me press. So you can see how many managers are getting salaries in their account. Those are 5 in number. You can see 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have counted manually. Our answer is correct. Now let us make this formula dynamic. This is the part where you have to pay attention. You have to understand. Press F2. Now this range is fixed. Okay. Now here in F2 I have to make some changes. Now you can see when I will drag the formula horizontally and vertically. Okay. Because I have to drag the filler handle firstly horizontally or otherwise firstly vertically then horizontally. Okay. Now here in this F2 cell you can see this is F2. When I will drag vertically, the column will remain same, the row number will change always. So I want to fix F only. I don't want to fix this 2 number because this have to change with 3, 4, 5 like that. So let us press F4. Now dollar subscript is in front of both of them, but I don't want this. Press F4 again. You can see 2 is fixed, but I don't want 2. That means row should be fixed. So press F4 again, third time. So you can see now it is perfect. Dollar sign is in front of F and now this is ready. Fine. Now when I will drag it vertically, only this 2, 3, it will change from F2 to F3, F4 like that. Now come to here in this G1. So this is the second criteria. So you can see here now in this condition, when I will drag horizontally the pillar handle, then this column will change from G to H like that, and the row number 1 will remain same. So I have to type F4. You can see $sign in front of both of them. Now again, now I want to fix 1. Now this is perfect. You can see I want to fix first row only. That's why $subscript will be in front of 1. So now this formula is perfect and ready for execution, and now it is dynamic. Okay, now let me drag it with the help of pillar handle here. Vertically you can see 2 and 1, and then again drag it horizontally. You get all your answers. So there is only one manager which is getting salary by cash. You can see here, this one. How many clerks are getting salary in account? 2. How many clerks getting salary by cash? 2. So like this, you can understand the concept of COUNTIFs, in which you can use many criteria. So I hope you got the difference between both of them, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. So I hope you liked the video. In case you don't understand anything, comment in the comment box so that I can know and I can make videos content according to that. Thank you, and subscribe my channel.